Hi guys, today we will be reviewing the SuperEQ S1 headphones. They are a super functional set of ambient noise cancelling headphones that provide users with excellent sound output even in a noisy setting. The packaging looks really chic and elegant, which makes you excited from just the exterior packaging. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one carry-on pouch laid nicely atop the SuperEQ headphones. Next out is the SuperEQ S1 headphones. Also included is a charging for charging up the headphones. An AUX cable is included too, should you want to connect the headphones via wired connection to a source. A plain audio port adapter is included too for ease of travel use. A set of user guide is provided to help you configure the headphones. I have the white variant here and it looks really elegant. The finishes are smooth and it feels solid to the touch. On each sides of the headphone muffs, there is the SuperEQ metallic silver branding, which looks awesome and high-end with metallic silver rims around the emblem. Even on the internal sides of the headphones, there is the SuperEQ S1 branding imprint on it. On the external sides, there is some really cool graphic prints that states "Be young, and be free." On one side of the headphones, there is the control buttons which you can use when connected to your device to control your music and videos hands-free. Underneath the headphone, you can find the charging port to charge up your headphones, along with an AUX port for wired connection and ANC button if you wish to swap between transparent mode and ANC mode during use. I will now connect the headphones to my smartphone over Bluetooth. Simply hold down the center key on the control buttons to enter Bluetooth mode. Then connect to your smartphone like what I am doing over here over Bluetooth via the Bluetooth settings page. Connection should finish in a few seconds. The headband of the headphones is adjustable. I can pull it to a length that fits my head during use for comfort and enjoyment. It has aluminum hinges which makes the hinge more durable and flexible with aluminum hinges. The headphone foam muffs are really comfortable too, as they use memory foam cushions which is breathable and soft to adapt to my ears. Alternate between transparent mode and ANC mode. This is to facilitate ease of communication so that I can hear activities on the outside instead of having to take out my headphones and wear them on again during conversations. Ergonomic feature. When jamming onto beats, the headphones generate clear and rich audio that is high quality with a superior powerful bass. With hands-free controls, I can adjust the volume up and down with a simple push of a button. Really easy. Forward and backward a music playlist by holding down on the control keys. Great for toggling your music or video tracks. Pause and play easily with a press of a button. Get a truly convenient and hands-free usage with the SuperEQ S1 headphones. After use, it can be folded down on both sides for ease of storage. Compact design. I can use the carry-on pouch to keep the headphones safe and secure. Overall, I find the SuperEQ headphones a great, feature-packed fun headphones for people of all ages. It is easy to use, and provides superior sound quality thanks to the powerful driver within it that delivers high-resolution audio to its users. Also, the battery is quite long-lasting too, with 45 hours of music playtime during a full charge. Pretty good. If you would like to find out more about what the SuperEQ S1 headphones can offer you, find out more with the link in description.